Have you ever wondered why there's no built-in teacher's assistant rating option on Rate My Professor? They have a Rate This Campus option, but sadly for our TAs, they must resort to requesting their eCafe results from the course professor in order to track how they're doing. Also, students must wait until the first day of school to find out if their TAs are studs or duds. Hi, I'm Renee Yonamine, and I'm addressing this problem with my ICS321 RateMyTA app. Since this is a problem which plagues TAs and students alike, I decided to create separate user accounts for them. If you enter the username UHManoa and password of ICS student, you can begin rating, and if you enter UHManoa and TA, you're only allowed to view ratings because we don't want TAs tampering with the rating part. Anywho, if I type in Renee and happy, it's going to say these are invalid credentials. But if I type in the correct info, which was UHManoa and ICS student, it will take me to the RateMyTA form. Here in the menu, I also have list of TA ratings and about page, which basically just shows the types of web technologies that I use to create my site. Because I used Bootstrap, it is responsive, so if I decrease the screen size, my menu collapses, and if I enhance it again, it will get larger. Same with the list of TA ratings. The images are responsive and the table is responsive, so if I close it or open it, the images and table will increase or decrease. Going back to the RateMyTA form, for choose name of TA, the drop-down menu displays names of TAs who I physically asked them if they could be on my site. I didn't list RTA because he requested not to be listed, but that's the reason why I have so little TAs listed here. Mark Twain is here so I can give him bad reviews. I can say, hurry up and graduate so you won't be my TA ever again, or mediocre like the grade you gave me, all the way to awesome sauce. I'm gonna say hurry up and graduate. He taught ICS321, pretend, and submit. It's going to give me a validation error and say that these values are required because I have indicated it with asterisk marks that these fields are required. For this one, I do not want to say that he's Sriracha certified, so I'll leave it blank. For comments, I'll say, he's the worst. Think Toby from the office. Yeah, he's that guy. And for name, I don't want to put it's me because then he might come after me, so I'll say it's Pam. Few results. So it formulates here. Because I gave him a 1 rating, it shows 1 star out of 5. And because I did not say he's Sriracha certified, he got this null picture. This was generated using SQL Statements with the time descending, and I also only chose to show 3 rows because I wanted it to just be the most recent ratings. These are real ratings from our ICS321 class. The students apparently think Eric's Sriracha certified and Amy is, and they seem accurate. I mean, I'm not saying that Eric is Sriracha certified, but ladies, if you think he is, he's single, so there's that. Just make sure you use your real name for the username so he knows who you are. Down here, I have a list of the TA ratings, and if I click on their name, it will expand or collapse. So here it breaks it down by the having clause, where I say the name is equal to the TA name, and then it will list all of their ratings. Going back to the login menu, if I log in as a TA, it will take me to the ratings page, and it won't show me the form page because I should not be having that. Let's say Mark Twain wanted to give himself more ratings because it's like he has really bad ones and he wants to boost it, I made sure that he wouldn't have access to that by not including it in the menu. Lastly, if I click on a login account, it shows the different items that people left comments for. However, it doesn't tell you if they're Sriracha certified, it doesn't tell you what they're rated as, and maybe Eric wanted to see who was that person who gave him a Sriracha certified rating, and he can't see that because he's not logged in, so that encourages him to sign in. Yeah, that's about it. Thanks for listening to my project, and a very special thanks to the TAs who participated their names and the students who helped with the ratings. Toodles!